Revolutionizing household welding, the AZZUNO MIG 135F 2-in-1 portable gas welding machine. Welding has long been an essential skill in various industries, but its application has increasingly found its way into households. Whether it's for repairing metal furniture, crafting metalwork art, or DIY projects, having a reliable welding machine at home is invaluable. Enter the AZZUNO MIG 135F 2-in-1 household welding machine, a portable gas welder that brings professional-grade performance to the comfort of your home workshop. Let's explore the features and benefits that make the AZZUNO MIG 135F a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. Versatile 2-in-1 functionality, the AZZUNO MIG 135F offers the versatility of both MIG, metal inert gas, and flux core welding processes in a single machine. This 2-in-1 functionality allows users to switch between welding methods effortlessly, depending on the specific requirements of their projects. Whether you're welding thin sheet metal or thicker materials, the AZZUNO MIG 135F provides the flexibility needed to tackle a wide range of welding tasks with precision and ease. Portable and compact design. One of the standout features of the AZZUNO MIG 135F is its portable and compact design. Unlike bulky industrial welders, this household welding machine is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for home workshops, garages, or even outdoor projects. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, as the AZZUNO MIG 135F delivers reliable welding power in a conveniently sized package. Gas welding capability, equipped with gas welding functionality, the AZZUNO MIG 135F ensures clean and efficient welds with minimal spatter. By using a shielding gas, such as argon or a CO2/argon mix, users can achieve high-quality welds with excellent penetration and aesthetics. Gas welding also provides better control over the welding process, resulting in smoother beads and reduced post-weld cleanup. User-friendly interface. The AZZUNO MIG 135F is designed with the user in mind, featuring a user-friendly interface that makes setup and operation intuitive and straightforward. With clearly labeled controls and adjustable settings, even beginners can achieve professional-quality welds with ease. The machine's digital display provides real-time feedback on welding parameters, allowing users to fine-tune settings for optimal results. Built-in safety features. Safety is paramount when working with welding equipment, and the AZZUNO MIG 135F prioritizes user protection with built-in safety features. From thermal overload protection to voltage fluctuation protection, this welding machine ensures safe and reliable operation under various conditions. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a durable welding gun and grounding clamp for added safety and stability during welding sessions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the AZZUNO MIG 135F 2-in-1 household welding machine offers a perfect blend of versatility, portability, and performance for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. With its ability to switch between MIG and flux core welding processes, compact design, gas welding capability, user-friendly interface, and built-in safety features, this welding machine is a must-have addition to any home workshop. Whether you're a novice welder or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, the AZZUNO MIG 135F empowers you to tackle a wide range of welding projects with confidence and precision. Click the link in the comments section to get your very own AZZUNO. Thanks for watching.